Levi here. I am now switching partly over to Airsoft because Nerf is kind of getting lame. Sorry to Nerf people, but you know, it kind of gets annoying because it's only foam darts and you lose them. So yeah, I'm switching to Airsoft. This is the m607-2 sniper. It comes with like a 40 round-ish clip. You just, and then it has, of course, the normal pull-back spring and the eject button. So yeah, and it has a laser. Easy pullback, just the scope does actually work, but you know it's not that good. So yeah, it has a nice stock back. It has a nice bipod. I like the bipod. It's easy. You just hold, lift, push, and then when you need it, you pull it out, turn, and then you got a bipod, or you can just hold it like that. Either way, it does come with a compressor too, and easy to shoot. That is the under part. So that's probably it for mainly the gun part. It does have the nice compressor, and sadly, if you look, it does have the little other sight here, but it does not have a iron sight back here, another sight back here. So it's easy like that, and then so that is mainly it for this part of the video. Oh, there it goes. So that's mainly it. So that is the gun. So coming soon is pistols and a shotgun. Thanks for watching.